Nice and lovely. I'm gonna make one of the world's best potato salad for Thanksgiving Day. I did not show you how I prepare the potato, but you just remove the skin from the potato and cut them into dices like this. Do not overcook your potato. Just want to cook them a little bit soft, not too soft like making soup. And I'm boiling 2 eggs. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the world's best potato salad. Right here, also I have 2 eggs which I've been boiling to use in the potato salad. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So this is cooked now. You don't want it to mush too much, cook too much. So that is finished. Lovely. Nice and lovely. As you can see, some steam is coming out. I just pour off the potato. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to do this lovely potato. Nice and lovely potato salad. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make the world's best potato salad. All right, so right here I have some potato which I'm already cook off, and I'm gonna show you how to get it right to the proper way. First thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on it, and I'm using some cracked pepper. All right, grounded pepper. All right. Got some sweet corn. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sweet corn, and I'm gonna be using half of a white onion, finely diced. Fantastic. So that's the white onion, and I have some spring onion which I'm going to be using for the color. Lovely. So that's the spring onion. I'm just gonna go through it, and that's gonna get a lovely color. Also, I'm going to put a piece of red pepper, finely diced. The color is going to be amazing, and honestly, you guys definitely gonna love it. The color is just amazing. I'm gonna put a piece of a yellow pepper, not much, just a tiny bit of yellow pepper. Finally diced. The knife is so sharp and an amazing knife. All right. You can cut it chunky if you like, but I mean, Chef Ricardo like to see it's a little bit more neater and simple and nice. Lovely. Also, I have 2 medium-sized eggs which I cook already. All right, and I'm gonna simple walk this egg through it. All right, that's a piece of a shell. Alright, and I wash off my eggs so much. Lovely. So I'm just gonna simply put the egg on it like that. And what I'm gonna do is run this beautiful. I got some light mayonnaise which I'm gonna put on it. I'm just gonna use my eyesight and put on the mayonnaise. You can also measure it, guys, if you like to. Lovely. Nice. You don't have to, but I'm gonna put a little bit of salad cream. And what I'm gonna do is simple. Give it a lovely mix. Potato still a little bit warm, but honestly, it is fantastic and nice when I finish with it. Oh my God! When I said I'm going to do the world best potato salad for Thanksgiving Day, you might have said, "Hey, Chef Ricardo, you're telling a lie. You can't do that." Of course, okay. And this is exactly what I'm doing right now. This is beautiful and amazing. Oh, look at that. The color, the texture, and everything is just an amazing, guys, honestly. So as you can see for yourself, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about when I say I'm going to do a lovely potato salad. As I said, the recipe on the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo. Go over there, like, and I will put the recipe in the description box. Thank you so much. And as I said, this recipe is just fabulous and amazing. Look at that, guys. Fantastic and nice and lovely. The world best potato salad from Chef Ricardo cooking today. So basically, if I say I was going to share it out, but before I share it, I shall taste it. Whoa. This is amazing. This makes me want to cry. All right, here it is. I'm gonna share it out. So we're just going to share out this lovely meal. Look at this, guys. It is fantastic and amazing. All right. So this is some jollof rice. Lovely. This is that lovely potato salad. Remember, if you're doing this for Thanksgiving Day, guys, honestly, you can't go wrong. And I'm gonna put a little bit of coleslaw. Look at that. Amazing. Fantastic and nice. So guys, just enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments, and please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend, alright? I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.